Hi, my name is Andrej Prokes. I'm the chef consultant for the CHEF brand, and I'm going to be showcasing and introducing as well how to do roast chicken with some brioche filling. We've got some braised leeks, white wine and black truffle. Here are the ingredients. We've got some chicken, possible white chicken, we've got some butter, some black truffle, some single cream, some brioche buns which we're going to be using for the filling. And we're going to be using as well some of those leeks. They're going to be cooked and braised, glazed with some beurre blanc sauce, and then with some black truffle on top of it. The first step what we're going to be doing now is going to be the brioche filling. So taking brioche buns, cutting them in dices with some softened butter, a little bit of a truffle in there, and fill them with the chicken. So make a small sachets into those chicken in the breast. So now the chicken is ready, all the pockets been filled. So roughly you're looking between half an hour to 45 minutes depending on the size of the chicken you will be getting. So the next step is going to be just braising leeks. So now, depending on the size, about 5 centimeters, cut them both sides. So the next step what we're doing beurre blanc sauce. So what we're using is some shallots. We're using the white wine reduction, which is the paste format. We're using some single cream, some cayenne pepper. We've got some thyme and some truffle oil. So for the next sauce, we're going to be doing a truffle sauce, which we're going to be using some of the fresh truffle with some juice, a bit of a butter, some shallots. We're going to be using some chicken stock and some grapeseed oil and some Madeira. So the next step, as the Madeira is evaporated and it's been reduced, we've got the chopped truffle into the sauce. So now the beurre blanc sauce, we've got the chicken stock in, we've got the white wine reduction in, shallots being cooked with black truffle, with some grapeseed oil, touch water. Now this is everything been reduced for the next 15 minutes, been boiling and simmering. So we took it down, I think, at least half. Now by adding it, we're going to be adding some single cream into it. So now we have pretty much everything finished. We're going to be plating the dish. Roast chicken with some braised leeks, beurre blanc sauce, some truffle sauce, and the chicken has been stuffed with some brioche and truffle.